Welcome back to the first day of school. Today I am your algebra teacher and my name is, oh, put this on the board. Today is the first day. Of course I'll give you guys homework. You crazy little kids. My name is Mrs. Bon Finkles, and this is how you spell it. Bon Finkles. That's how you spell my name, kids. So I'm going to write the first equation down. I hope you bought a calculator because I told you to have a calculator for the first day of school. So let's get started. 3. Now, kids, you are going to what? Solve for X. Chandra? What are you doing?
It's Shundara!
What?
It's Shundara, teacher! It's Shundara!
Okay, Shundara, what are you doing? Are you paying attention in my class? You'll be the first one to solve for X, and I hope you're not in the back eating.
No! I have my calculator right here. And I'm not eating, I promise you.
Solve for X right now, and you better tell me the answer. Fine, teacher. I'll solve for X. What is X, Chandra?
X equals 3.
Let me see. You know what? X does equal 3. Good job, Shundara. So I'm going to teach you how to make this calculator. We're going to start off by using Starburst. You can use any Starburst you like. I'm using the tropical type or the tropical version of Starburst. They have sweet heat also. So what I'm doing is adding 2 cups of Starburst to this to this microwave safe container, you guys. And now I'm going to start by unwrapping all the Starburst. This may take forever, but I do this for you guys because I love you. Now finally finish unwrapping all the Starburst, and now we're going to add 2 capfuls of canola oil. You can use any oil you like. You can use coconut oil, it's fine. I'm just using canola oil. Now you're going to mix that into your Starburst until it's combined. We're going to add it to the microwave for about 60 seconds. Don't be putting it in the microwave for 3 minutes and then tell me it burnt. Stop putting it in the microwave for 3 minutes, y'all. Now you're going to mix in that oil and mix in all the Starburst until the mixture is nice and cool. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to the mixture, and you just want to mix that in. I did do this in cups, you guys, so that's why it looks like this, but I'm just touching it to make sure it's not that hot. So you just want to add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, not too much and not too little. And now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to make this calculator. So what I'm going to do is use my Easy Bake Oven tray as well as a mint container tray. I'm going to show you guys what this tray looks like in a bit so you guys can get a gist of what you can use for the tray. But this is sort of what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a big calculator and a little one. So I am spraying it, and I'm going to use the edge of the mint container tray. I'm going to make 2 calculators, as you guys know. Now I'm going to add canola oil to my hands so the calculator does not become too sticky on my hands. Now I'm just going to take a piece of the Starburst dough that we made, or the Starburst slime, and then I'm just gonna pat it down into the Easy Bake Oven tray. However, you can use any tray you like that mimics a calculator. You can even use like your calculator covering case if you have one. So now I'm gonna add another one, and I'm gonna let this cool for a bit. and I'm just gonna mold it to make it look the way I want it to look. Now I'm gonna take it out of the case and make sure it's not too cold or too hot. You want it to be warm, and you want it to be nice and perfect to your specifications, depending on what you like your calculator to look like. And I'm just using this. I told you guys I was going to show you. So you can use an Altoid case, any type of mint case you like. It depends on you. Now we're going to use Skittles to make our calculator, because this is it. What? Edible calculator. So I'm just using this dollar store calculator I got as a demo calculator to what I wanted my calculator to look like. So I'm just putting 4. I was going to use an edible pen at the end to mark on the calculator, but that didn't work, so I decided to just go ahead and leave it like this. However, what you can do, which I'm not going to show you in this tutorial, if you want to add numbers, you can use like gel, like edible gel, food icing for it. That will work perfectly. Just get the pen kind. And as you can see, I'm very meticulous with this calculator, because I want this calculator to look cute, and I want to actually push the buttons. So what you guys don't see is I'm actually pushing the buttons deep inside the starburst base of our calculator. So I am pushing it in deep. If you don't push it in deep, they will fall out. So that's a little tip for all you guys who like your little edible calculators. Make sure you push it in really, really deep. And as you can see, I'm trying to switch the colors to make sure it's really, really perfect. And here you go. Here's my edible calculator. Now I am using, I think these are Sweet Tarts. Lord, I forgot the name. You guys actually told me in the live what these were. If you're not part of our live streams, make sure you check them out every Tuesday and Thursdays. They are lit. But you guys told me what these were in the live stream. I think they're Sweet Tarts. I don't know. I forgot what they are, you guys. Sorry, my bad. But if you know, tell me in the comments down below. And I just wanted to make the buttons look totally different from the calculator, the other calculator, So I did half Skittles and then half Sweet Tarts, if these are what those little things call. I really don't eat those little candies anymore because they are not that good. They taste like chalk to me. But if you like them, this is a variation of what you can do with your edible calculator. They just taste like chalk to me, okay? That's just my opinion. I never really liked them. So, yeah. But, yeah. So, what you guys see me doing is color coordinating the Skittles. I'm trying to figure out what type of Skittles I want. I should have used better and brighter colors, but hey, you know what, we got to do what we got to do to make this calculator look cute. And also make sure you press them down deep into your calculator base, which is edible starburst. If you don't have starburst, you can use Laffy Taffy. I forgot to tell you guys. So we're almost done. We're gonna let this dry, and of course, as you can see, I snuck and ate it from Mrs. Bon Bon Finkles. You guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Let them dry overnight, and voila. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. So you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you like my edible calculator. Let me know what other edible school supplies you would like. Let me know what you think of Mrs. Bon Bon Finkles. Boy, she's a trip. Jesus Christ, I don't even know what to do. But let's get into the emoji game. So let's play the emoji game. If you don't know, we play the emoji game every Saturday for your chance to win a shout out on Tuesday in my Instagram comments, in my Instagram stories, in my Snapchat, as well as in the Tuesday video. So you guys, let's play the emoji game. I want 4 pics, 1 heart eye emoji, because y'all know I love the heart eye emoji. All the hearts. I want every color of the hearts. I want 5 clowns, 1 hospital, 1 tree, 4 horses, 2 cats, 1 poop emoji, 1 sad face emoji. I want dollars. I want 1 cloud. I want a birthday cake. I want some candy, and also, you know what, let's just throw a sushi emoji in there for GP. And you know what else I want for the end of the emoji game? Last but not least, I want a little puppy and a little baby. So I hope you guys got all that for the emoji game. Oh, and you got to answer this question. What grade are you going to at the end of the year, or after summer is over? What grade are you going to when summer is over? So I hope you got all that right, and I hope you answer the question so your comment can be the first to pin. Remember, you got to play the emoji game and answer the question so your comment can be pinned. And the shout out, and you get a shout out too. So thanks so much for playing. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy our back to school videos.